Hey everybody, this is Sanjay here, and I'm here to review this wallet, this carbon fiber wallet I bought from Temu. I wanted to try something different because I usually use a money clip like this one. It's called a slim clip, okay? But I wanted to try something different, and I wanted to see how it works. Now this one has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pockets. Okay, for all the credit cards and store cards and all that type of stuff. Points, store points card and all that. It's done. It was done, and this window is for the driver's license, of course. Now, I've never used it for a long. I've never used the wallet for a long time. I just found it very bulky. They kept advertising, "Oh, this is going to be very slim. It's going to be very slim," and I tried it out. And this is how thick it looks right now. Okay. And it feels very bulky in my pocket when I wear it. So, I don't know. I don't know if I can get a refund on it. It's about $2 or $3 I got it for. But I'm not very satisfied with this wallet, and so I'm not going to use it. I'll probably give it to somebody. Also another thing, which I removed. There was a money clip here that was supposed to hold the money, but I got rid of that because it was just a little bit annoying. It was very hard to put the money in. I tried to do it without any cards or anything like that. It was extremely hard to put it in there. Like I think I mentioned in the beginning, this is made of carbon fiber, which is pretty good. It looks pretty good. If women want to use it, they can use it and put it in their purse if they're okay with that bulkiness. But for men, it's going to be very bulky. It'll bulge out of the pocket. It's going to be a little bit of a nuisance. So like I said, I wouldn't. I would give it like 1 or 2 stars for this wallet. Anyway, I hope you like this review, and hopefully it'll help you make a better decision on this product. If you have any other questions, you can probably communicate with me through the Temu website. Okay? Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.